Hey, how you doing? Just gonna take you for a walkthrough. We're gonna do a video basically fixing up the goat barn. We're gonna build some goat beds in there. So do a little walkthrough and I'll show you through what we're looking or thinking of doing. Don't have any idea what we're doing, but we'll have a go anyway. This is the goat barn that we built recently. So just sort of did it off a couple of trees off the property. Bit of extra timber from good old Bunnings and basically a bit of tin sheets and Bob's Runkle is all done. But it's all pretty solid, nice solid hardwood and isn't going anywhere anytime soon. This is inside the little barn, so this is pretty much where all the miniature goats, we put them away at night where they stay. So at the moment they're sort of just on the floor. The plan at the moment is to try and get them up, elevated off the ground a bit in here and give them a couple of different sections to sleep in sort of thing. So we're going to get some of this treated pine, cut them down to size and basically make sort of like a bench shelf out to about there. So they've got a bit of a platform to jump up, they'll have to be up nice and high. And sleep on, basically they'll be able to then sleep under it, sleep on the top. And then we'll do some sort of staircase type ramp that'll sort of come down here where they'll be able to sort of get up there basically. So going to work on that today, try and get that sorted. And then we've got, this is sort of just their old shelter over this way, which is just where they used to sort of more hang through the day and stuff like that, get out of the sun. So we still sort of leave that there, they still use that. And then we're just starting to build a bit of a playground for them. So Zave and Tyler's been basically knocking this stuff together. And then they just like to bounce around, parkour everywhere, do flips and stuff and hang on the tops of the platforms and get nice and high. So we've still got a lot more work to do around here sort of thing, building sections that they can sort of go across to different platforms and that, but sort of getting there. But yeah, and then basically so we'll just sort of knock everything up today. Got the good old amateur Ryobi tools, no Makita or any of that sort of stuff around here, just the amateur stuff, but it'll do the job anyway. is all on there, just the supports. Started doing the ramp, so we got these 3 pieces here. Just got to throw the treads. So we'll sort of space them out just so the goats can get up. Without them falling down with them screwed in instead. And basically we've got the box down here as well. So it's sort of an extra sleeping spot, but just sort of makes the ramp less steep at the same time. So they'll basically sort of sleep there, climb up there, sleep up there.
So these are all the goats and cows. So the 2 cows are, the dark brown one is named Chocolate and the light brown one is named Milo. And the goats, they're very annoying. The one that tries to fight everyone is named Ziggy, this one here. And the 2 white and brown twins right there, right here, are named, this one's Latte and this one's Coco. And this one here, them 2 twins, this one's Oreo and that one's Tim Tam. Here. And this one's named Pepper.
Nothing like wrapping up with a nice little swim after a hard day's work.
If you like watching the video, like and subscribe for more.